The Hikari 509. Yeah, it's the faster one. It doesn't make as many stops, so you can't use this train on your rail pass. It's faster. It's more expensive. It goes. I don't think it goes any faster. It just makes very few stops, so it gets to your destination, major cities, faster. We're on the Hikari, which stops at every little. Well, this one is going to stop, make 5 stops, I think. Are ready to go to work. They have all these suites. Okay.
10時33分発、光509号新大阪行き、まもなく発車をいたします。ドア付近のお客様、閉まりますドアにご注意ください。
Not much room for luggage. And space. Two of the seat. Ah. Oh, ah. Here we are. It's too early to go to the hotel. We can't check in yet. So I figured we could have lunch here.